Hi, welcome to Neelam Co. I am back again with a new recipe for Indian style vegetarian pasta. So let's get started. I am using 2 cups of whole wheat rotini pasta. This is 1 cup and I am going to add the second cup. So these are the vegetables which I am going to add to my pasta. So these are 2 zucchinis, 1 tomato, 1 bell pepper and 1 green chili, 2 onions and handful of dill, or you may use cilantro if you want, and little bit of lemon. And finally, I am going to end my pasta with sprinkling of feta cheese and going to serve it with French baguette and some salad. I am adding 4 cups of water to boil 2 cups of pasta. To this, I am going to add half teaspoon of salt too. When the water starts boiling, I am going to add pasta. Pasta is ready now. It's tender. So now I am going to strain it. Now I am straining the pasta. Now I am going to add cold water to the pasta so the cooking process is stopped. And pasta does not get more tender. So these are all the vegetables chopped and ready to be cooked. So this is 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I am going to add the cut onions to it. I also added ginger and the green pepper and I am going to cook it till these are brown. I cooked the onions on high flame for 2 or 3 minutes and now I am going to add zucchini first. So here it goes. Zucchini is little tender now, so now I am going to add bell pepper. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes for the vegetables to cook, and then I am going to add pasta. I drained the cold water from the pasta, so now I am going to add it to the vegetables. And finally the tomatoes. And again wait for 3 or 4 minutes. So I will let it stay for 2 or 3 minutes on a medium flame so the vegetables are mixed. Remember not to cover pasta, otherwise it will be too soft. To make the bread, I cut it into 4 small pieces and going to put into toaster oven on toaster setting. The pasta is ready to be served, so I am going to pour a little bit of lemon and then adding dill. I think that's enough. Then mix it. So let's take the bread out, and so I added a little bit of cow's ghee, so it's tasty to eat. So I'm going to pour a little bit of pasta. Next step is to add some salad to the plate. This is lettuce salad. Finally, let's add some feta cheese. You can add according to the taste, or I think that's enough. And now pasta is ready to eat. I hope you will enjoy this pasta. Thank you for tuning in.